Actually, I was homeschooled. One of 8 siblings, grew up in Hawaii, and homeschooled elementary and middle school. Looking back now, I'm quite proud of the schooling journey that I went on. There's so much entrepreneurial lessons that I learned, being homeschooled. My mom taught us all, and as a family, kind of effort. But what I benefited from the most was really being able to control the output. I don't know if I'm an entrepreneur by nature. I have no idea, but by nurture, by my environment, I think that was the only path that I saw. So I've never went down the traditional, let me go be an employee path. I just always knew I wanted to own the business versus be a part of someone else's business.